study, write, etc. See, that's the way when you teach vocabulary, don't focus on the word only. Connect it with what you do at it. What's this? You like hamburgers? Is it healthy? Yes, it is very healthy because I eat them all the time. Okay, what is it? What do you do with the watch? Check the time. Okay, this is a music player. What do you do? This is the music. These are blocks. What do you do with blocks? You build. What's this? What do you do with it? Talk on the phone. Nowadays you do many more things. This, when you use it, where do you find it? Yeah, you know, this kind of lamp in the bedroom, right? And this is the? What do you do in the bed? Read, sleep, play with your computer, everything happens in there. What's this? When you... Who needs glasses? Most of us need glasses. We watch computers too much. It's getting worse and worse. And then this is? And these are? And this is a? Okay, so you're familiar with all the words. We're going to play a game with this now. We want to check the student whether the students understand the words. But we don't just want it to show the flashcard and then point at it, etc. and repeat. I want to make it more challenging. So I need some help. Candy or Cindy? You're going to throw them on the floor around the room. Just